Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all doing great. So in this tutorial, I will show you 6 tips and tricks on Windows 11. Are you ready? So let's get started. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create folder using online, how to create file, how to create folder, how to delete file, how to move a file or folder, and how to copy file or folder using command line on Windows 11 and it works on Windows 10 too. So are you ready? Let's get started. Go to search menu and type CMD, okay, and enter, and it will open terminal. So zoom in. So I am type PowerShell, okay, to change into PowerShell. So here I am right now, print working directory. So I am, let's see, hmm, let's change into desktop, okay? Into desktop by CD. You can change the path, I'm on, now I am on the desktop. As you can see here, I am on the desktop. So I am on the desktop. What I have on the desktop at the moment? At the moment, I have only these two application and one PDF file in one folder. And I'm going to show you how to create folder using command line on Windows. It's very easy. You can use this command mk make directory folder name. Let's do it in practice. Mk dir and the folder name. Folder name, for example, company company file. Enter. As you can see, I created this folder. It's named by the name of company file. When I created at this time and the date. That's how you can create folder on Windows 11 using command line. How we can create multiple folders at the same time? It's very easy. Mkdir folder name, then comma, then the second folder name, and so on. Let's do it in practice. Mkdir, for example, HR folder and IT folder, and enter. As you can see, I created these two folders only with one command. As you can see, mkdir, HR, and IT. That's how you can create multiple folders on Windows. So that's the first part. Let's create a file. How we can create a file on Windows? It's actually into another one. Okay, I will do it another video. How to actually delete folder on Windows? That's also very easy. rm remove directory and s remove the folder and its content. Okay, how we can remove that? Go back on ls. At the moment I have HR folder, IT folder, and archive. How we can delete HR folder? Here rm dir and rm dir and s and the name of the folder. Enter. RMDIR. At the moment, I'm on the desktop actually. DIR and HR. Yeah. I deleted the folder of HR by using rmdir and the name of the folder. Okay, that's very easy and very, very simple. Let's list the content of the desktop. As you can see, at the moment, I don't have the HR folder. How we can delete IT folder? rmdir I and enter the tab button and enter. Okay. Yes. ls the content of the folder. As you can see, HR in IT folder has been deleted successfully. That's how you can actually delete a folder on Windows. How to delete file or folder on Windows? At the moment, I don't have any file. Let's delete this file. I have PDF file. How we can delete this? Okay, by using delete, and the name of the file. Okay, enter. ls, as you can see, I deleted this file by using delete and the name of the file. That's how you can delete file on Windows. Okay, and let's jump into moving a file or folder on Windows. How we can do that? Okay, it's very easy. For example, mkdir IT. No, mkdir IT and mkdir company. Okay, company. So I created this two folder, company and IT. I will move this folder IT into company folder. How we can do that? Okay, very easy. Move and the name of the source path or file name, source path, the folder name, okay, and the destination path. So move IT where space and company in this folder. Enter. ls. As you can see, at the moment, I don't have this IT folder on the desktop. Where is it? It should be actually in this folder. Let's check it out. cd, change the folder, and list the content of the folder. As you can see, I moved this folder into company folder. That's it. Very easy and very, very simple. Let's jump into copy file folder. How we can copy a file or how we can copy a folder. Let's copy a folder, for example. It's the same. You can copy a file and you can copy a folder. By using Xcopy, source folder, and where you want to copy, destination folder. Okay. mkdir. Let me. For example, test. Okay. I created this folder. ls. I have on company folder two subfolder, which is IT and test. Okay. And I want to copy this folder into IT folder. How we can do that? Very, very, very easy and simple. Xcopy, test. I want to copy this folder. Where I want to copy this folder? IT. Enter. As you can see, it has been copied. And let's check. I need to have a copy of this folder into IT folder. How we can check that? cd IT change and ls. it has a bit copy. Let me check it out. ls cd ls. For example, if I want to copy a company folder or company file, x copy company folder into company file. External destination folder. It should be a source folder. So let's try this comment. It didn't work. I really don't know why, but let me robocopy. Okay, robocopy company folder. Copy this folder into company file folder, and then let's check it out. Let's change into company file. I need to have a copy of company folder in this folder. No, it didn't work. Yeah, I don't know really why it didn't work. Yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you will like this video. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section. I will be very happy to help you with that. But I want to make a new video regarding creating file and copying file or folder. Okay, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, please do subscribe my channel and share with your. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.